You can either scroll through dream homes and luxury fashion, or start building them, pixel by pixel, room by room, life by design. It started as a game. Now, it's a career, a whole luxury lane most people are sleeping on. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Across the globe, young creators are logging into The Sims not to escape life, but to design one. They're building dream homes, curating full streetwear collections, sculpting chaise lounges in neon-lit penthouses, and hand-stitching digital trench coats inspired by Dior. And they're not doing it for likes, they're doing it for money. Some are pulling in $10,000 a month from commissions, CC drops, and digital showrooms. Why? Because the brands are watching. The world is watching. Here's what they don't teach you in school. You don't need a design degree. You don't need a fashion internship. You don't need to move to Paris. You need a download button and a relentless obsession with your craft. While you're updating your LinkedIn, these creators are selling digital fashion collections to brands you've never even heard of yet. They're staging virtual hotels, collaborating with indie labels, designing assets for architectural firms in Milan. And the kicker? It all started with a mouse, a mod folder, and zero permission. Let's break this down. What's a CC creator? CC stands for custom content, the clothes, furniture, poses, lighting, and mods that players add into The Sims. Think of it like designing your own world from scratch. And the people who make that content? They're not hobbyists. They're builders of culture. CC creators are self-taught designers who use tools like Blender and Adobe Substance 3D to turn imagination into assets and assets into income. They sell furniture sets on CGTrader, go viral on TikTok with digital streetwear packs and luxury interior studios. Creators like Ebonix, redefining beauty standards in games, Harry, making sleek, modern interiors that architects now study, and Complex Sims, building digital wardrobes inspired by Balmain and Off-White. This is no longer fan art. This is digital domination. Cities like Berlin, Copenhagen, Seoul, Montreal, these are the new digital design capitals. The vibe? Brutalist cafes by day. Glow-in-the-dark fashion collabs by night. It's not just a lifestyle, it's a movement. A global shift where being good at The Sims means you might just get scouted by the future of fashion. You think you're wasting time gaming? You're not, you're training. Every 3D mesh you model, every texture you apply, every digital outfit you post, that's building proof. The industry doesn't care about your GPA. It cares about what you can make. Step 1. Learn Blender. Start with furniture. Use free tutorials. Master mesh design, UV unwrapping, and lighting. Step 2. Master Adobe Substance. 3D texture is luxury. Learn how to make suede, velvet, stainless steel, brushed gold. Step 3. Build and monetize your portfolio. Upload your best designs to Sketchfab, CGTrader, or The Sims resource. Promote them on TikTok and Discord with hashtags. This is your sign. You don't need permission to start. You need proof that you won't quit. The future of fashion and luxury design, it's not behind velvet ropes. It's behind your laptop screen. Because while they're watching Netflix, you could be designing the next Balenciaga bag. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about working in 3D design. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out this next video.